this is going to be a bit different because it's shot only on the GoPro. This is my GoPro Hero 9. My computer I've just bought, I think is capable of 4K. So what we are doing today, we're solely using the GoPro with a little medium mod mic. So hopefully we've got the mic sound and the footage will be sound. So yeah, before we get to the video, make sure you drop a sub, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, let's see what the video is going to be like. Hopefully this is going to be alright. So yeah, let's go. Come on, son. Come on. Come on. Nice. Go. Where is it, mate? Ooh. Cheeky.
Where is he?
Right then, Thomas. Shut
up, Malcolm.
What do you mean? Listen, we're doing a YouTube video on this. Do you want to see? That's what we're doing. The GPF delete on this. Yeah, so.
You are.
Oh, it is used off his old car, but apparently it's the same engine and all that jazz, so should be alright.
Right.
So is that stock mode, yeah? Or is that sport?
That's normal.
Yeah, normal. Give it a rev in normal. Scott, your missus got the vacuum on. Go then, sport. Sound. Right then, so time to get under the car and see where this is. Can I see it, Tom? Oh, where is it?
This big thing covered in mud.
What that? Oh my god, you're having a laugh, aren't you? Gee, we've got to move that bracket thing on there.
Nah.
I feel like the car needs to go a bit higher, you know, that looks way too low, man. But yeah, we'll get under, have a little ganders and see what's what. Coming in, so with GoPro 4K.
19.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
Scott. 19, yeah.
This is what we live for. So we've got 19mm there, 19mm there. Where's the one at?
18.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's not actually that bad, to be fair. Just these little cross members in the way and that. What's that, 19 as well? Oh, don't try and drop the dirt on me, man. What are you doing? Always wear your safety glasses, folks, because you might be working with a knobhead.
Cheers, mate.
Right, mate, you're not even on anything there.
I know, I need a 17.
God's sake. Right, so this is the GPF sensor. Right, and then there's another one literally there. What size spanner did you say it was? 19?
17.
17, folks. So you got that one there, and then that one there, them horrid little things. Well, just on newer cars, isn't it?
Yeah.
How new have they started banging these in? These are like 17, 18 plate cars.
All right, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so we don't like that, so we're getting rid of this to have a bit more sound.
Scott. Proper one, isn't it?
He's only got a Mac Tools gun. You knew it. Oh, don't you dare! You're gonna shred the nut, you are.
I can't fucking see.
Oh. Nah, you're on an angle, son. Just give me a ratchet and I'll take that straight off, man. How strong am I?
Not that strong, no.
Alright, sound. There we go, son.
Come on, Hayden.
Gold me up, man.
So I'm golding him up whilst this plant pot's doing fucking press ups. Come on. There we go. Lovely double. Sound, there you go, 2 bolts, jobs are good at. Oi.
That'll guide ya. Fucking hell. This fucking thing's in the way now.
The Catalina. We
might need a ratchet for this one.
Mate, I told you I got the guns, we'll have that off, light work.
Where is it? Which one are you doing?
Guess a ratchet, Scott, for this 19.
There we go. Man, this is light work. You see, these are like new cars and that. Everything's pretty simple, should I say.
Everything fucking works.
Yeah. Oh, baby. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? I'm being abused under a vehicle whilst trying to undo bolts. I'm undoing bolts, a man is undoing trousers. There we go, son. Lovely jubbly. So yeah, as advised to the customer, remove the front first, the back will follow, and then you got your gaskets. Lovely. So he's really ungrateful, so I'm gonna have to pass him these. I'm guessing it's from Scorpion, yeah?
Yeah. No. This ain't a Scorpion one.
It's got to be a Scorpion
No,
one.
it's not. It's a different box.
You're a liar. Someone said you can't catch COVID if you touch his willy for a bag. Oh, it's growing, folks. It's absolutely solid. Hayden's touched him with a glove. Just keeping him warm. I feel like I've missed a bit. What side did you put in first? Back or front?
Front.
Front. So I'm guessing you don't need the studs there, don't you just need the 4 nuts?
Comes with, so you got the 2 normal nuts that go on there.
Yeah.
And then it comes with this new one
Is
here.
this one a sleeve or not?
What do you mean?
It looks like a sleeve. Oh no, it's just like markings for the exhaust, the standard exhaust. What size is it? 2.5, 3?
What, this?
Yeah.
I think it's a 3.
Yeah. Looks pretty thick, to be fair. What, so you put in, they're your studs?
Yeah. No,
Oh.
come with a GPF.
Yeah. What do you do with the stand? Have they got holes for the GPF or no? What?
Yeah, they go back in. It's got cheater rolls.
Oh, has it? Ah, oh yeah, you've already put that one in, ain't you?
Yeah. You can put them bolts on if you want.
Yeah, so literally 1, 2, standard DPF, OPF, whatever it's called. That one in then, and then obviously you got your 2 little studs. Why they didn't put nuts on them instead of like hex keys? It's stupid, isn't it? Literally easy as that. Don't fall off it and smack me in the face. So.
What you need?
There we go, lovely jubbly. Nice sport. Yes guys, what is happening and welcome back to the video. I'm just finishing editing up this video. I've just had a look at it and it's come out quite good, to be fair, and this is only on the GoPro Hero 9, so just in case anyone's wondering, this is only using the GoPro. I wanted to test the video out anyway in 4K, and I was like, rather than grabbing the camera and getting the camera out, I thought we'd just solely use GoPro. It's a lot easier to get in and out the underneath the car. And I've got the medium mod mic as well, so it's like the first time using it. I have got the wireless ones and stuff, but obviously I don't want to wear them when I'm working on the car and stuff. But I just wanted to see actually how this has turned out. So this is 4K 30 frames per second, so hopefully this has turned out well. I hope you enjoyed the video more than anything, and we had a little laugh, little mess about and that. I think that's part of the reason why I do like working on cars with friends and that, because the amount of banter and everyone's got their ideas and how to do things and stuff. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, hope you found it funny. I've had it quite funny and that, looking back on it, and love Manny, Tom, Scott and that, and yeah, it was a good laugh. So yeah, let me know what you think of the video, and if you enjoyed this. Like, I think it was a bit more rushed on this one. I don't think it was as planned and as laid out as when I was doing my stuff, so it might be a bit different. Some of you might not like it, some of you might like it, and yeah, so it's the GPF delete on the Hyundai. Comment down below, let me know if you did enjoy it, if it did make you laugh. Comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are, and yeah, hopefully see you on the next one, and we get some cracking videos. Told you, 2022, this is the year, man. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, because honestly you're gonna miss a lot if you're not subscribed. So yeah, peace out, see you on the next one. Let's go.